Hi there, students. Glaucous. Glaucous is an adjective, and I guess glaucousness as the noun. Okay, glaucous is a colour. It's a bluish, greenish grey. It's a grey, blue, green colour. And I think it's a brilliant word for this. So, for example, you have a glaucous-headed gull. A gull is a seagull, and the wings are this grey, this light grey colour with maybe a touch of blue to it. And this is the idea of the word glaucous. It's got this greyish, bluish green. The sky had this glaucous colour, as if night were falling. You can also use this word glaucous in biology and botany. It's when the surface of a leaf or the surface of something, it looks like it's got powder on the surface. For example, when you take a grape sometimes, they've got what looks like this little white powder on them. That is also glaucous. So a plant could have glaucous leaves, with this powder on, this tiny powdery covering. But I think glaucous, this is a wonderful literary word talking about a dull greyish blue or a dull greyish green. It's a lovely colour. It's actually one of my favourite colours. Okay, so the lighting gave her blue eyes this glaucous appearance. Okay, so blue-green, this is a colour. A plant would have glaucous leaves, glaucous. So it's got this frosted look to it, a glaucous stem, glaucous grapes, but also this meaning with this blue, powdery blue-green colour. It's a lovely word. I think this is very specialised and I think sounds rather literary. So as to formality, glaucous, I'm going to give it a 7.5 in formality. I wouldn't use it informally. People are not going to know what it means. Use it in a writing to describe something that's a bluish grey colour. It'll look great in your writings. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin glaucus or glaucus, which itself comes from ancient Greek glaucos, which is a blue-green or a blue-grey colour. And that's the exact definition of it. Okay, so glaucus. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Glaucous.